welcome back to another workout. My name is Manny, and I will be your fitness instructor for today. Follow along as I take you through a nice and easy leg day workout. We are starting today's leg day workout on a Smith machine doing a traditional squat. Personally, I prefer a wider stance to get my legs more engaged, but you can do a closer one if you'd like. You're going to be doing 3 sets of 15 reps, and after you've completed your 15 reps, you're going to rest for 60 seconds before moving on to the next set. After doing the squats, which targeted the quads, we are now going to focus on the back side of the legs, the hamstrings and the glutes with a traditional deadlift on the Smith machine yet again. We are going to be doing it again 3 sets, and after completing your 15 reps, make sure to rest a full 60 seconds. Also make sure you pick a weight that you can do to really hit those 15 reps. And that concludes our nice and easy workout for today. 2 simple exercises done on the Smith machine to keep it easy. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more workouts. And as always, stay tuned and thank you for watching.